All right, so I got this mower here. This thing looks very old. I didn't notice there's no oil filter on it. We'll see if there's any oil in here before I try and start it. Now this house had 2 mowers in it. There's a little bit of oil on there. Looks fresh, so I'm not gonna have to change that. See if there's any fuel in it. Yeah. I have no idea if it's good or bad. It's a primer, so we'll prime that. I'm assuming this cord's broke and that's why that's there. So I'll take that off at the end and see if that needs replaced. Oh. Alright, let's see if it's carb cleaner. I'm gonna take the air filter cover off. I am also just assuming that's the air filter. I was not expecting a sponge, but there it is. Never seen a carburetor like this before. Thinking about it. All right, let's see if it starts on that. Oh. Well. Is it spitting oil out? I don't know if there's too much oil in it. It's definitely burning oil. I can smell it. I mean, it's definitely leaking oil out of it. I wonder if there's too much oil in it. I need to get my paper towel. Can I use this shirt? Definitely never used this shirt before. I don't know if I'm supposed to twist this one to check it or just stick it in there, but is that the fill line? I don't even know if you guys can see that. So I wonder if maybe the carburetor just needs cleaned. You know, it looks pretty clean and I've never seen a carburetor like this before. So it does run, and then it stopped. I wonder if the gas is bad in it. The gas is bubbly. I don't know if I've ever seen bubbly gas. I'm gonna change that out. See if I can change it out. Yeah, disconnect the spark plug. And see how this goes. Ooh. It's pretty discolored. I mean, that's most of it. Still a little bit in there, but I think if I mix good gas with it, it'll be fine. All right, now let's see if it'll run. I'm gonna shake it up a little bit to get that mixed up a bit better. Maybe I prime it. I'm gonna try dumping some of the oil out. You can see the whole spray of oil that flew out of it. So I'm going to drain some of the oil and just see if it's just overfilled. And I'll just let a little bit out. And we'll see what the oil really looks like too, doing this. Oh yeah, it could be replaced. Maybe I just replace it. Yeah, that does not look good at all. It didn't look like that on the stick either. All right, disconnecting spark plugs. I'm gonna reach over here and just pick it up. Oh, the gas is leaking right out of the cap. All right, that's good to know, I guess. I don't think there's any more oil in it now anyways. I gotta add oil. All right, we're gonna add some oil. Oh. All right, well, it's probably not enough oil anyways. Not because I spilled all of it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, thread in to check. So, yeah, you do have to twist it all the way in to check it. I guess we can see if it'll start now without all that extra oil in it. Maybe if I put the spark plug on, it'll start. Probably just burning all the old oil in there. Thinking about it, this is a push mower. There's probably no oil filter on it anyways. made a mess all over my driveway. And I just mowed it without the air cover on. Probably don't do that. Let's see, is there an adjustment screw or something on this? I don't know how this carburetor works at all. Unless this is choke on and it's supposed to be like that. Let's try that. I don't know if there's something wrong with this carburetor or not, because I've never seen this type of carburetor before. Well, obviously there's something wrong with the carburetor because it's not getting enough fuel, but it looks like there's 4 screws. Pop this thing off of the gas tank that I don't even know how to access. Yeah, I guess that makes it easy. Oh, there's another screw in there. 3. What the heck's going on with all these springs? Someone messed with all these springs because they're all bent. If I try to get it to stop surging, I imagine the problem's deeper in here. See, I can't even get to that screw without taking this whole plate off somehow. Unless this is all bent in and that's the problem. This looks... What if I bend all this out? Now let's try it. Well, whoever bent all these springs and stuff this is missing a bolt. So I wonder if I bend that back and put a bolt in there, if that'll fix it. This should be a little more down. And of course the springs are now bent and improperly. Oh, and I just broke it. So now I'm gonna re-bend it. Hook it on there, which it's probably not even supposed to go on there. One of these should probably go onto here. Oh man. And this, I don't even know. I really don't know. If anyone actually knows what this is supposed to look like, let me know. Cause this, yeah, I have no idea. If anyone knows what that's supposed to look like, let me know. See, I think this spring is now just too long. So I wonder if, I don't want to bend it now because I'm going to break it again. I broke the other one. Oh, yep. That's fine. I'm going to bend it and stick it in that hole, because I think that's how it's supposed to probably go anyways. And make sure that it's not going to come out. All right, now let's see how it runs. All right, let's put it back together. I believe this went on like that. This was just shoved in here like this, like that. And this just goes in there like that. And we'll seal it shut. Well, there we have it. Another mower fixed. So, if you want to see me fix more, there was another mower that was in this same trash, so I am curious to know what's wrong with that mower. Came with the carburetor. See, what do we think's under this thing, huh? Oh, it didn't even broke. I wonder if maybe it just is kind of long, so it kept popping out maybe. I don't know. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. If you want to see more, here's a playlist. Let me know if you know what that's supposed to look like, because I don't. And I'll see you in the next video.